Hi, welcome back to Easy Classes. If you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a user account on Windows 10 laptops or desktops. Okay friends, let's see how we can do that. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Control Panel. You'll find the Control Panel in the best match result. Click on that. Now make sure View by you set to category. So if you select large icons or small icons, then change it to category B. Then you'll find user accounts. Don't click on that. Click on the change account type. Now we have an administrator account here. So we need to create a new account. To create that, you will find add a new user in PC settings. Click on that. Now you can add a family member or you can add someone others. So let me choose the second option. Now if you have any email or phone number of the person, you can put it and you can say next. But in my case, I don't have any email or phone number. I want to set a offline account here. For that, you can click on the I don't have this person's sign in information. Click on that. Now you can use email, phone number or some other options. As I told you, I don't have any requirement to set up a online account because I am adding here only offline account. For that, you can select add a user without a Microsoft account. Now type the username. So let me select user1. You can set your name or the username. So put the password, then re-enter the password. Then you must choose security questions and you have to answer. So select one by one which you prefer. Set what's your chat. So once you answered few of the questions, then go to next. Yes, we have successfully created the user account here. Then to work this, just close this window and go to the Windows icon and click on the power button and select restart. Once you restart, again go to the Windows search bar and search for Control Panel and open that and go to the user accounts. There you will find change account type. There you will find two user accounts here. So you can log in to the new user account anytime by doing right click on the Windows icon and select shutdown or sign out and sign out. Now you can find here two users here. So which is have created user one is the new account. Let me put the password. Yeah, now we are on the new user account. Don't worry, it will take few steps in the first time to set up personalized settings for you. So that's it friends. This is how we can easily create a new user account on Windows 10 devices. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. And also don't forget to like, share and comment. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.